Hi everyone, today we're going to be making mustard potato salad. Now I'm going to be cutting the recipe in half because I only have like 5 potatoes and I think it's only me that likes potato salad in our household. I know my husband don't like it. My son might like it a little bit, but I'm not going to make a whole big batch because of that reason. Plus I only have 5 potatoes. So I'm cutting the recipe in half. I will put the recipe, the full recipe, everything in the description. So let me show you what I have currently. I have 5 potatoes here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel these, and then I'll show you what I'll do in my chopper. And by the way, this is a really good thing to cook for Thanksgiving if people like mustard potato salad in your family. I love it. So that's one of my favorite things in Thanksgiving besides dressing. That's number 1. But yeah, it's real easy to make. And just follow me and I'll show you how to do it. So I got my potatoes peeled and I just cut them in half. And now I'll show you what I'll do in the chopper. So I'm going to chop my potatoes with this size. You know, I'll just lay them like this or like this. Probably better lay them like that, probably, and chop away. And you can dice them to yourself if you want. All right, so they're chopped here, and it's going to be quicker to cook these too. So I'm probably going to boil them around 8 minutes because I don't want them too soft. I don't want it real mushy or anything like that. So I'm thinking around 8 minutes. I'll check it with the fork. It might be a little less or a little more. And now we're going to put them in a pot with water and a little bit of salt and a little bit of oil, and we'll wait for them to boil. Alright, so we're waiting for this to heat up and start boiling, and I'm guessing maybe around 8 minutes. I'll check it with the fork once it starts boiling. Alright, so the potatoes are starting to boil now, so I'm going to be monitoring it for the next 8 minutes, checking it with a fork. Well, I checked them with a fork, and I think because I had them shaped small and cooked them, they're ready. Had them ready between 6 and 7 minutes. So now I'm going to drain this water and rinse them with water, get some of the starch off. Alright, so I just rinsed them with some water, try to get some starch off, and drained them here. So now I'm just going to put them in the bowl where I'm going to make all the mixture for the potato salad. So I put some salt and a little bit of oil with these eggs. I'm going to boil 2 eggs because I'm trying to cut the recipe in half, but normally you would boil more than 2 eggs. So you boil it for 10 minutes. It's starting to boil, so you boil about 10 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to make the dressing here for the potato salad. So I'm going to put in about a half a cup of mayonnaise here in the bowl. A half a cup of sweet relish into the bowl. About a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in the mixture. Put a half a tablespoon of celery salt into the mixture. Tablespoon of mustard into the mixture. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, and then once I get that in there, we're going to mix all of this in together and put it in the potatoes. So this is what it looks like. It almost looks like Thousand Island dressing or tartar sauce. Now you can put other spices and more of the other ingredients in there if you like. If you want to put more mustard, you can, and make it a little more yellow, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to put this mixture in the potatoes. I tell you, this already smells good. We're not even done yet. So I have a whole celery stalk here I'm going to chop in my chopper, and a half an onion in the chopper here. Alright, so here are the onions and the celery chopped up. So now I'm going to put it in the potato salad. Alright, now I'm going to chop my 2 eggs here that are peeled in my chopper. So this is what it looks like, chopped up in the chopper. Now I'm going to put it in the mustard potato salad. So this is what it looks like, folks, and let me tell you, it smells really, really good. So the last step now, after mixing everything in, like I said, I'm going to have the recipe in the description, the full recipe. I halved everything because of the amount of potatoes I had. Now the last thing to do is to put it in the refrigerator for a few hours and let it get cold. But doesn't that look good? Alright, so here's the potato salad here. And it smells really, really good. So let's try it here. So you can see me try it here. Alright, here it goes. Oh yeah, that was really good. And I thought this was really easy to make. You know, it wasn't that hard. And, you know, potato salad's gotten expensive in the deli and the store. So I think I actually like this better. Thumbs up, really good. Alright, so I'll put the recipe in the description of this video. Y'all take care.